Hi, this is Nancy with OnPoint TV and Quilting with Nancy. I really want to thank you for stopping by our page today. On the channel OnPoint TV, you're going to find an awful lot of quilting videos, over 250 at this point. Now, we started this endeavor back in 2016, and if you go back to the very beginning, you'll see there's been a lot of changes. My glasses have changed, my hair has changed, our locations have changed, a lot of different changes, but we really think that all the changes have been for the better. We've done a lot of different series. We've got the Learning to Quilt series, which is over 100 videos, and that series follows my book, Learning to Quilt, which you can find all of my books on onpoint-tv.com. After that, we went to Lone Stars and New York Beauties. We do a lot of quilting videos. We do a lot of live videos. So in the live videos, they're a little bit more informal, and on those, we've even done some painting on fabric and using epoxy on a table. You just never know what you're going to get when you're here at OnPoint TV. Now, something new for OnPoint is membership. So if you like the show and you'd like to know more, you can go to the join button and find out about our membership. There's 3 different levels you can look at and consider, and that's just another way for you to learn more about OnPoint, about me, and about quilting, because that's what everything comes down to for me. That's what I know the most about, so that's pretty much all I ever talk about is quilting. Thanks again for stopping by the channel, and we hope you enjoy your stay.